Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted. And this, once again, is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters. And they also now offer these very nice mugs that you can cover so it doesn't spill, at least, well, one side when you're showing off their logo. Really, really neat. And also very durable. This steel cup, I think it's steel. Is it steel, mommy? You don't know. Well, it's metal. It's a metal cup, okay? So it's going to be very durable. So whenever you're unboxing something and then your grimy little pirate hands like slip and let it fall, it's still gonna survive, okay? I don't know about the coffee inside, but Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted roasters. Handcrafted roasters. The best handcrafted coffee in the universe. Another unboxing. So we unboxed in the first part of our video the Revelot Mechadromo. Mechadromo, what is it? Mechadromo, yes. And that's going to be launched very, very soon. And you'll probably be seeing this video first, and then you'll see the actual video review for this watch. So if you haven't seen the unboxing of this, you can always go back to my previous videos. Now, we have another one from Revelot, and this one is one of those interesting ones that I actually asked, but then never heard from if I could review. Then it finally reached out, and I finally got the opportunity to review this interesting watch. Now, why is it interesting? I mean, like, come on, just look at this. Isn't this interesting? That is the Revelot Admiral. Admiral as in those big wigs in ships that command people and then they lay on their couches and do nothing but just give orders. Admiral, right? And this Admiral is not just worthy of the couch, it's also really worthy for the sea. The actual admirals out there. But look at that. Look how interesting that dial is. That is amazing. I've never seen it in person. Now seeing it in person, it is mesmerizing. It is really mesmerizing. And it's really hefty. I didn't imagine it is to be this hefty. They have their tags here. Let me remove that tag first. That's going to be a nuisance to me, as always. I'm already a nuisance myself, so I don't want any competition. That is the Revelot clasp. Let's see there. I'm going to take that off. So satisfying. So satisfying. Right there. Okay. Let's move. Oh, okay. So this is one of the complaints that I have with microbrands. Why do you always wrap your clasp so thoroughly like this? I want a much easier, snappier unwrapping experience. And so now it's stuck here in between the clasp, the end links. Oh, but thankfully, as you can see there, you could release the end links because it's a quick release mechanism. Yeah, that happens. Okay. Now I have to put that back. Slide it in. There you go. Then let's put that end link back. Let's see. This is unscripted, guys. So you know that I'm doing it one shot, no editing, no zooming, no cutting. There you go. No dubbing. It's my actual, real, gruffy, illiterate voice. More plastic to unwrap. There you go. Okay. Now, Revelot is saying that you could actually use these straps, these bracelets on the Mechadromo. So we're going to show that in the video. We're not going to show it here. We're not going to spoil everything here on the unboxing experience. We want to just experience the unboxing. How profound, isn't it? So, what do you think about this Revelot Admiral? It's a really hefty watch. Let me try it on my wrist. Oh, yeah. My wrist is thoroughly punished with such a heavy steel on. But actually, that's good. You like heavy steel on your wrist, okay? That builds your muscles, makes your bones harder, makes your ignorance even more profound. So let me know what you guys think about this new, well, not so new, but this new to the channel Revelot Admiral dive watch. Hey, it's also a GMT. I didn't notice that. Look at that. It's also a GMT. I just found that out. Okay. So that also shows my ignorance. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. The good comments will make it into the video review. And then, hey, wait a minute. Did I? I didn't turn on my other light. Anyway, let me turn it off for the glory shot. I had that off all this time. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this new dive watch. And let's see how it pairs with other watches and what we think about this very unusual dial. It's very, very mesmerizing. And it has a GMT function too. So the good comments, the interesting comments will make it in to the video review. Revelot. 2 Revelots.